This is a Renault Zoe motor that the vehicle came into me with an encoder issue. It kept failing on the customer and breaking down, so they managed to get the vehicle here with the AA in the end. And there was a code in the system that was an active code, which is with an encoder, which is situated in between the gearbox and the motor assembly itself. So you have to remove the whole drive unit to actually even gain access to it and potentially replace it. Now, on removal, we did notice that the motor bearings or the rotor bearings were noisy. It's not something that you can source from Renault themselves, it's something we had to locally source, and they were around about £60 each plus the VAT for them, because they were an uprated unit compared to the ones that were fitted originally. This is the motor assembly with the rotor there and the end cap. Like I say, you do have the encoder in between the two, and then that's all the power electronics and the charging unit there. We did have the gearbox or drop gear checked at the same time by a local gearbox specialist, just to make sure there was no bearings that were faulty at that point.